size isn't everything. The true power lies in your newsletter tribe. Want to send your Substack subscribers through the roof? Let's talk about the secret sauce on Substack. Recommendations from other fabulous authors. The way it works is newsletter authors can recommend other newsletters they enjoy. In October 2022, Lenny Rachitsky reached the newsletter milestone of 250,000 subscribers and shared this insight. 78% of my subscribers are now coming from other Substack newsletters recommending my newsletter. An 11% paid game-changing feature. 1 year later, in 2023, he has doubled his subs and shared. With 570,000 subscribers, Lenny's newsletter is among the top 5 largest newsletters on Substack and one of the largest newsletters broadly. This is freaking bonkers, isn't it? And guess what? You don't need to look far. These amazing folks who are recommending your newsletter are already a part of your community. Hidden gems in your subscriber list. Substack isn't handing out who's who directories, but don't sweat it. With a sprinkle of strategy, you can identify the movers and shakers in your audience. Here is the insider tip from one of Substack's top writers, BRITTON, with 27,000 subscribers on Substack. It's my experience that 1/6 of the people who have taken the time to subscribe to my Substack and create a profile are also writing. Here is your step-by-step action plan to use Substack's recommendations feature. Number 1, scour your email inbox for profiles that mention the word reads. This is an example of an email. Step 2, now take a peek at their profile and look for that gray box indicating they have a publication. Voila! Found them. Now it's time to shine. Compile a hit list of these rock stars, jot down their email addresses, and get ready to make some waves. Reach out with a heartfelt note like this. Hey! Big virtual hug for being a part of my newsletter tribe. I've noticed you are a fellow creator and I can't wait to check out your awesomeness. I'm on a mission to spread the word about my content and would be over the moon if you'd consider recommending me on Substack. No worries at all if it's not a fit for you. I totally get it. Cheers and high five, Christina. Using this technique, I was able to identify about 50 people who are reading my Substack newsletter and have created their own newsletters, oftentimes inspired by me. Here is an example. This way, I easily get recommendations from people and other writers who are excited to help spread my work. If people find your stuff valuable, they'll want to share it with others, trust me. Side note, I haven't actively approached all of them. Most of them already proactively recommended my newsletter. Here is the social proof. Sounds like a lot of work? Not so fast. A single power hour of focused effort can get this done. Want to level up? Depending on the number of subs you get per month, make this a recurring event on your calendar. And don't forget to also get back some Substack love. What does this mean? This means that if someone recommends your newsletter, check his or her newsletter on Substack, see if it's a fit for you, and also start recommending this person if you think this would be beneficial for your audience. This is like a warm hug on a rainy day if you help another creator and writer on Substack, and this is really, really nice. Ilona, for instance, from The Pebble in Your Shoe. I love Substack's recommendation feature. I have one bigger creator who has recommended me, and I get 40% of my new subscribers from this newsletter. I want to support other women wherever I can, so often I reach out to other female Substackers and ask them to collaborate so that I recommend their newsletter and they recommend my newsletter, which is really good if I enjoy their newsletter. I was asked, would you recommend a publication you don't enjoy? I wouldn't recommend it, but if I'm already subscribed to this newsletter, I definitely would like to recommend it. Sometimes somebody reaches out to me from my subscribers and I start recommending his or her newsletter. So start flexing your Substack muscles, my friend. You've got this. For more, check out my other Substack videos on my channel. See ya!